What I like about the 465, it's the passenger sofa. It makes it really nice to travel with this boat because the passenger and the captain, they are, you know, in the same area. They see the same thing through the same window. Plus, you can also lie down there. It's really an extra nice space in the saloon. The second thing is the window in the very back of the boat, which gives new possibilities, new ways to shelter yourself in a good way. So that I like. And then I also like that we have this really huge side door to the saloon, because when you put that all the way open and you open up the aft section between the aft deck and the saloon, and you open the roof window, you have a really airy boat. Yeah, the boat is under construction right now. The first sea trials will be during January 2024.